Hello student, in this video we will simply do the practical using two buttons. So when user have click on any one of the button, the message will be displayed in the text view. So we have taken this layout. The first one is your text view, the second one are two buttons. So when user click on any one of the button, suppose user have click on exit button, the message will be displayed in the text view. Same if user click on this button, the message correspondence to this button will display in the text view. User have click on begin button or user have click on exit button. So this is the layout part. The layout is simply implemented using linear layout. So we have used the orientation vertical. The first one is the text view. Here is we have set the background color. You will see there is no text in the text view, means that text view will be empty. Next is your begin button. So we have set the width and height id and correspondence ems, means जो text size is your equivalent to 5, or we can use instead of text size we can use ems. The same is coding for your exit button. So exit button same, almost web content and button exit. So this is the coding of your XML file. Next we will do the part of Java file. So when we are using some widget correspondence to that, we have to import some file. So these three file we have to import. One is correspondence to the view, second one is button, and third one is the text view. So these three line we have to import. In case of the button, we are using the set on click listener function, so we have to implement on click listener. So this is your adding, this is the starting of your main class, main activity. So in that case we have to add implement on click listener. So you will create three object. One is correspondence to your text view, next to are your button. So after set content view, we have simply find the id of each widget. Maybe the first one is your text view, next two is your button. After finding the id, we have simply find out, we have simply set the message in the text view. So correspondence to that, whether it is click on begin or exit, we have to display the message on the text view. So button begin dot set on click listener. So we have passed the pointer, this pointer. So जो currently आपकी view की value होगी, that will be passed to the on click method. So maybe in both of the cases, maybe you have first one, maybe you have exit button. So we have simply passed the this pointer. So on this part we have simply used the on click method. So in case of the set on click listener, we have used the method, that method is known as your on click. So that view is simply pass, view the variable is your v. So what we will simply do, we are simply find out the id of the button. So for that we have used a method, that method is known as your get id. So किसी भी widget की id obtain करने के लिए we have used the method get id. अब जब यूज़र किसी भी बटन पे क्लिक करेगा, मे बी बिगिन मे बी एग्जिट, जब भी आपका ऑन क्लिक मेथड पे आएगा, तो करस्पॉन्डेंस टू डैट वी हैव सिंपली ऑब्टेन द आईडी ऑफ डैट विजिट, कि आपकी आईडी क्या है, उस व्यू की आईडी क्या है, वो हम ऑब्टेन करेंगे बाय द मेथड वी डॉट गेट आईडी. देन वी आर सिंपली कंपेयर विद कि उसकी आईडी अगर बिगिन आईडी के इक्विवेलेंट है तो वी आर सिंपली मैसेज कि वह क्लिक ऑन द बिगिन बटन. अगर उसकी आईडी एग्जिट बटन के इक्विवेलेंट है देन वी हैव सिंपली डिस्प्ले यू आर क्लिक ऑन द एग्जिट बटन. सो टेक्स्ट व्यू में मैसेज सेट करने के लिए हमारा मेथड यूज होता है, द मेथड इज योर सेट टेक्स्ट. तो टेक्स्ट मैसेज डॉट सेट टेक्स्ट ब्रैकेट में वी विल सिंपली डिस्प्ले द मैसेज. Almost same coding for your exit button. So this is the code of your Java file. So when we are simply do the see our application, that is our application in emulator. So if I will click on the begin, the message will be come here ki user you have click on begin button. If I press exit, so the message is come you are click the exit button. So this is the This is the practical part using two buttons, and how can we have used the button, this part is explained.